Alright, now here's a video of the 2012 Massey 9-inch Special Box Fan. Yep, it's been quite a long time since I made a video on the Massey. As I recall, the last time was in, April of 2018 when I, did a video of just the Massey, operating. Although it was actually May of 2018. And I remember I did all of my fans operating. Yep. And let me tell you, this fan is still going. I've had this fan since the 1st of September 2012. Yup, that's the day I got this fan. And it's well over 8 years old now. Yup. And it's still going up to this day. I pretty much never had an issue with this box fan. It kind of shocks me that, this fan is still going and pretty much I'm surprised at how good of a box fan it is. This fan has served me well over the years, and I'm glad to see it, still operate to this day. Yep. I tell you, it may still be a while before this fan quits, but I have no clue when, because as I've been saying, see this fan is surprisingly well made. Yep. Especially for a fan from Walmart. Anyways, we're still now operating on low. And yep, it's been sitting in the same spot as the last video I made on the Massey all by itself. Yeah. Or now for medium. Enough high. I don't really just use the high or the medium that often. Low speed pushes out a ton of air. Yet I recall that there's not much difference between high and medium. Down to low. And that's off. Spin down time is still great, especially for a fan over 8 years old now. Yep, and that's a video of the Massey. It's still gonna keep on going for a while. Yep. And now that concludes the video of the 2012 90s Massey Personal Box Fan. Yep.